Good afternoon. Today, at the UK's request, the Security Council discussed the deteriorating situation in Myanmar. As we heard from Special Envoy Christine Bergener and ASG Ramesh Rajasingham, the humanitarian crisis in the country is getting worse, each day as a third wave of COVID ravages the country. Prior to the coup, Myanmar had a strong vaccination record and was developing a COVID-19 plan. Now, Myanmar's health system is barely functioning. Unacceptable attacks on hospitals, doctors and nurses continue, and only 3% of the population are vaccinated. So in line with Resolution 2565, the UK is calling for an immediate and sustained humanitarian pause to allow vaccines to get in to all in need, and for medical and humanitarian staff to work without fear or attack. We will work with Council members and international partners, including GAVI, the Global Alliance for Vaccines and Immunizations, and the UN, to ensure the people of Myanmar get access to vaccines in an equitable way, regardless of politics, ethnicity, or religion. Vaccines must be tools of protection, not politics. Foreign Minister of Brunei, Dato' Eriwan, the new ASEAN Special Envoy, joined our meeting today, and we welcome this appointment. He also joined the call for a humanitarian pause and a strong international response. The 5-point consensus that was agreed back in April is yet to be implemented. There can be no further delay. We hope his appointment marks an acceleration of that, and that with a visit by the Special Envoy to Myanmar, talks with all parties will soon be possible. Thank you.
Mr. Ambassador, a few questions. First, what are the prospects for the Security Council issuing any kind of a statement on the humanitarian situation at the moment or on the political situation?
So we've had a lot of consensus in the Council through the year, and we all signed up to 2565. Today was a private meeting. There's no product as such, but this is on the Council's agenda. We had a lot of calls for a humanitarian pause, and it'll stay on the agenda, and we may come back to it when we have a chance, when the Special Envoy has an opportunity to visit.
We didn't hear the briefings, but what was your assessment of how the political situation and the humanitarian situation are at the moment? Are they worse than before? How would you assess them?
Well, I would just say that before the coup, there was a good plan in Myanmar. Since then, there's been a deterioration. I think the briefings were very clear about the impact of the political situation on the humanitarian crisis. Thanks very much.